They got serve.
Yeah, because then Layla serves first.
Yep. Yo, we ain't gonna start like that. Come on. Much better. Nope, not yet, not yet. There it is. Hey, good serves. That was just a little bit, okay? Good. What the hell was that? Set her out. Get back in position. There you go, good. Good, get in position. Nice. There we go, great work, great work, great work. Good movement, good movement. There it is. Oh, Odin.
Odin. I thought it was Rowan.
Odin.
Oh, Owen.
Odin, like the god.
Odin.
Nice. Leslie. It is definitely a rebuilding team and a learning team, but they got potential. They just need to stick together for a while. You're yelling. Hit it. You're playing great. Keep that up, okay?
Teach them how to read the court and push it to like corners.
You're talking about teaching them that on the serve. too much. Hey, solid serving. Good job. Now get it back on defense. Oh.
My teacher's over there, and I really do not want to see Oh, I got contact lenses.
Yeah? Nice.
Now it's like, now that I'm getting contact, well, I have to order them. What we did, it's just my prescription's so bad, they didn't have the trial one, so they ordered it. So I should have them by the end of by third time.
Okay.
The reason I'm going to Uppers is because I'm supposed to get back from the date. And that's like so bad because John from Vinny,
Yeah. Yeah, he tagged one of my girls in the face on practice the other day. No, in practice just the other day.
He hit me in my face and it hurt so bad. I got a bruise on my nose because this hurt. That's what's been, like, my glasses have stopped me from going
I got nothing. Solid work.
You guys are doing really well. Night and day difference. I didn't see you last week, but from the first game to this game, night and day difference. I like it. Yes, you're doing good, so just keep it up.
I'm so
Okay?
scared.
Of what?
No, because when I spiked the ball, it hit right here, and I didn't think it was gonna go over. So I was like, yeah, when I spiked, it hit right here.
Oh.
You guys are making good plays.
All we gotta do is just minor adjustments. And if you know what's wrong, right, you know how to fix it. If you know what's wrong, you know how to fix it,
Yeah,
right?
just keep going like this when I try to spike.
So take a breath, settle down, keep it slow. This game is a good slow pace. It's our pace. We're controlling every aspect of it. Good job. Let's see if we can keep them under 10, all right? Which means you gotta keep doing what you're doing.
Ready? Keep it up.
Keep it up
Louder.
on 3! Keep it up on 3! 1, 2, 3! Keep it up!
Way to stay with it, girl. Yep.
But I heard you got like 5 boys and Uppers now. So now that's like, I'm even more scared.
I have 4, but 2 of them have no idea what they're doing. There it is.
She don't want to, yeah, she don't want to.
There. That is beautiful. Hey. Hey, watch the line. You're getting real close. Yeah. There.
They were in the donut.
Right?
They hit it right in the donut.
He was there. He just went down real slow. He didn't move his feet at all. He just leaned into it. You're deep. Stay up, okay? Way to cover, way to cover. Good job. Nice way to pay attention. Ariani, remember. Nice. There it is. Hey, Ariana, great. Now, hey, now here's the second one, right? Reset, same thing, up and over. There you go. All right, now reset again. Everyone, you reset, rethink. Go over your mechanics in your head. There it is. There it is. All right. There we go. Good work, good work, good work, good work. Hey. Looking, hitting those serves like we know you can, right? No more excuses. You got it. All right, defense, get it back. Good, get there. Good effort, good effort, good effort. Oh, what was that? Where'd you get that from? No, the door was opening. That's it, bring it in.
Sorry, that was all you got that time. Hey, nice job.